Hi, I'm Shane.
And I'm Grace.
And welcome to the amazing Temecula Student Center. We're excited to share with you our Davinci and Real World Academy programs. We develop a personalized education plan for all of our students K through 12.
Let's get started.
So this school is really awesome because you can get to learn a lot and get to make a lot of friends. And the teachers here are really, really nice.
I love this school because the teachers really let your personality shine and they let you express yourself in different ways that you like to express yourself.
It's a really nice, friendly atmosphere, and the school, it's really different from others because it offers more freedom.
Hi, my name is Ben Taylor. I'm the principal here at Temecula Student Center. We're a tuition-free public charter school serving grades kindergarten through 12th grade. Our vision here is to serve every student on a daily basis, to personalize education so everyone gets what they need when they need it.
My name is Kim Ballantyne and I'm the Vice Principal for the Temecula Student Center Elementary program. We look at every single individual child and their needs and what they need to be successful.
At the Temecula Student Center, we have a sense of community. A community of both students and staff. If a student needs support, everyone will pitch in.
Students come to me with a variety of different experiences and backgrounds and different levels, and I love that challenge.
We have a thing called personalized learning. What that is, for example, for us in theater, when you use us again as examples, we have been doing theater for every single year here at school. And then with the other classes like math and English, I don't know how, but the way the school does it is that all these classes and programs, they all just kind of correlate together. They all work together with each other, and we were able to pick and choose certain classes we want to take in order to further ourselves in our acting career.
At the Temecula Student Center, with personalization, what the teachers do is they first need to get to know their students. You can't personalize without knowing your students. So a big part of the beginning of the school year is getting to know the students, understanding where they are and what activities do they like to do. Are they a hands-on learner? Do they prefer acting out what they have learned? Do they prefer a report or something else?
I love my teachers. They're great. They help me. They're always there for me. You can see how passionate they are, especially when they're teaching that one time period they love or the one math lesson they love or something like that. They really get into it, and it makes learning so much easier, and I love that.
We use a flipped classroom, and basically that allows students to really choose how they want to learn. They can learn by watching videos, they can learn by asking questions, they can learn with a group, they can learn by themselves. It really just allows them to learn how they want to learn.
What we take pride in at our school is creating a positive culture. And I think that's one of the key essentials that you first need to create a great learning environment for these students, because for some students this is the best part of their day. And if you have a positive culture, then you're leaving them the ability to grow and the ability to learn. And what we do at the Temecula Student Center to create positive culture is we think it's imperative that we involve the parents in part of their educational team. We want our parents to know every step of the way what their child is learning and doing as part of their educational career.
Here at the Temecula Student Center, we have a diverse group of students and staff, all with different backgrounds and learning styles. To ensure that the kids get the most out of their time here at school, teachers are given resources and use those resources in whatever way they feel will be most effective in the classroom.
Our Davinci Academies serve students in kindergarten through 8th grade with a focus on the arts. Our Real World Academy serves students in 9th through 12th grade with a focus on career technical education and a college and career focus. Our Davinci Academy is based on the namesake, Leonardo da Vinci. He was a scientist, an artist, an inventor, and we try to infuse the arts and science and even invention in the STEM through all of our classes. We want our students to be equipped with the tools they need for high school and college and career and beyond.
Hi, I'm Robin Smith. I teach kindergarten at Temecula Student Center. I have been teaching kindergarten here for the past 6 years. We really start with a basic assessment at the beginning of the school year, and we use that assessment to really personalize lessons for each child.
In our high school program, the Real World Academy, we make sure each student is headed toward a bright future.
The mission and vision of the Real World Academy is to prepare students for college and the workforce through academic rigor, active learning, and community involvement.
We implement career technical education and internship, SITE, into our Real World Academy programs. SITE students learn the skills that they need to be successful in the workforce and it also builds the future leaders of tomorrow.
SITE is career and technical education with internships. The unique feature to our Real World Academy is students get to take classes that are taught by business professionals in the industry. They have industry experience. So when our students take classes like healthcare, business and marketing, engineering, child development classes, they are being taught by individuals, by educators who have a real world experience. So in addition to learning the knowledge, they get to apply that in an internship setting. So they literally get to take what they're learning in the classroom and apply that to a real world on-the-job experience before graduating from high school.
So here I am doing a CTE class, and I am doing Intro to Business. You get to kind of learn about yourself and like exactly what job you want and like how much income you want to make, and you just get to kind of like plan your future, and the teachers at the school allow you to kind of move forward or take your own pace.
I think I eventually want to have my own business, so having these different classes, being in introduction to business and then marketing and then eventually bookkeeping, it'll help me to build a business that's effective and works well.
Being on the robotics team, which is how I first came to River Springs, it's really given me a lot of skills that I can apply to not only the workforce but to college and getting my degree in hopefully electrical engineering.
Internships are a huge part of our school. In your junior and senior year, it helps to set you apart from job applications and college applications.
Being in an internship that's based around this class has really helped me solidify what I want to do and has really made it a prominent aspect of my life.
I interned for GHI Industries. That experience has really helped me gain not only the knowledge that I need in the technical side of engineering, but also kind of the leadership and guidance aspect of the real world that I also use.
In my junior year, I could get that internship. I could finally get into what I want to do, and that like really pushed me this internship opportunity. And now like I work with cheetahs and I work with foxes and I work with wallabies. Like it's an amazing experience.
Our high school students work in our elementary and middle school classrooms as interns through our internship program. This not only helps the kids, but it gives high schoolers exposure to what it's like working in a real-world classroom. So we're here in one of the kindergarten classes at the Temecula Student Center. And my friend Grace here is going to kind of explain what she's doing in this classroom.
I started my education pathway this year, so I'm taking my literacy and development class. I get to take a lot of cool classes, including elementary literacy and development and careers and education to help prepare me for my future. It's a lot of fun.
This school does a great job at preparing you for the next step in life. You see students walk out of here and they're ready to take on the challenges of life. They know what career they want to do, whether it be go to college or start their own business. Whatever they want to do, they're prepared from the school. It seems like everything you learn, you're going to use that in life. Yeah. We are way more confident now than we were before coming into the school. Yeah. And we are 100% sure and confident that when we get to college, we're going to be ready and good to go.
Yeah. Every morning when I walk through the doors, I'm really excited to walk down the halls and see teachers excited to serve our students and our families, and students with smiles on their faces ready to learn. What also gets me excited about the Temecula Student Center is walking into classes on a daily basis, kneeling down with a kindergartner and asking what he or she is learning, and really enjoying listening to them say, this is my goal for the day, this is why I'm learning it, and this is why I'm excited about learning. And then I can walk down the hall and visit with a senior who's applying to colleges and filling out the FAFSA forms, and our counselor helping with that. And I get really excited to see how our career technical education courses and our college prep courses have made this possible for our seniors in high school.
Knowing that I'm responsible for overseeing the education of 30 or so of my students, I really invest in my students almost like they're my own children. I really care that they feel that they're a part of a community. I care about the whole child. I care about their academic successes. I care about the kind of day that they're having.
I love my job, but I love the kids the most. I call them kind of like my adopted kids, so it's funny because I tell them that I have my 4 biological children and then I have 100 of my adopted children while they're in my care.
At our school, we provide a safe, fun learning environment for your child. If your child is a high-level thinker, is a hands-on learner, is artistic, is musically inclined, then we would welcome you to come to our school and join our family.
Our staff here creates on a daily basis a wonderful educational experience, and we welcome you.
I got so much better at so many things. I got better with writing, math, ELA, reading, and I have great education here. My friends are really nice, so maybe if you come here, you can get to meet them.
It's the best school ever. That is pretty much the description of the school. The best school ever.
Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you have a better understanding of what our school has to offer.
We hope to see you soon.